Hey honey hues, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of having dry, rough hands this summer? Do you want to know the secrets to getting pretty, soft hands that you'll love showing off? In this video, I'll be sharing my top tips and tricks for achieving gorgeous hands, from exfoliating to moisturizing and more. So, let's get started. Watch till the end. This video reveals secret tips for achieving soft, pretty hands this summer. Get ready for the ultimate hand care guide. We've got segments packed with hand care tips and tricks in this video, and 5 secret tips are hidden throughout, so don't skip. Summer hand care for teens. How to get soft, smooth hands. Segment 1. Exfoliating your hands. First things first, let's talk about exfoliating your hands. Just like your skin, your hands need exfoliation to remove dead skin cells and reveal smooth, soft skin. You can use a sugar scrub or make your own by mixing sugar and lemon juice. Gently massage the scrub onto your hands and rinse with warm water. Segment 2. Moisturizing your hands. Now that your hands are exfoliated, it's time to moisturize. Use a rich hand cream or lotion that's suitable for your skin type. Look for ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, and vitamin E. Apply hand cream throughout the day, especially after washing your hands or using hand sanitizer. Secret tip 1. Use a humidifier. One secret tip I want to share with you is to use a humidifier in your home, especially during the dry winter months. This will help to keep your skin, including your hands, hydrated and soft. Segment 3. Hand care tips. Here are some additional hand care tips to help you achieve pretty hands. Wear gloves when doing dishes or using harsh chemicals. Avoid biting or picking at your nails. Use a nail brush to clean under your nails. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Avoid using hot water when washing your hands. Secret tip 2. Exfoliate your hands before bed. Another secret tip is to exfoliate your hands before bed, and then apply a rich moisturizer. This will help your skin to absorb the moisturizer overnight, leaving your hands feeling soft and smooth in the morning. Segment 4. DIY hand masks. Let's talk about DIY hand masks. Here are a few recipes you can try. Banana and honey mask. Mash up a ripe banana and mix with honey, then apply to your hands for 15 to 20 minutes. Coconut oil and sugar mask. Mix equal parts coconut oil and sugar, then apply to your hands for 10 to 15 minutes. Avocado mask. Mash up ripe avocado and apply to your hands for 15 to 20 minutes. Segment 5. Nail care tips. Now, let's talk about nail care. Here are some tips to help you achieve healthy, pretty nails. Keep your nails short and trimmed. Use a nail file to shape your nails. Apply a base coat to protect your nails. Use a nail polish that's free from harsh chemicals. Don't forget to moisturize your cuticles. Segment 6. Hand massage techniques. Let's talk about hand massage techniques. Massaging your hands can help improve blood circulation and reduce stress. Here's a simple technique you can try. Massage your palms and fingers using circular motions, then stretch your fingers and wrists. Segment 7. Common hand problems. Let's talk about common hand problems and how to solve them. Some common issues include dry skin, cracked knuckles, and hangnails. Here are some tips to help you overcome these problems. Use a rich moisturizer, exfoliate regularly, and avoid harsh chemicals. Secret tip 3. Use a hand cream with SPF. A secret tip for protecting your hands from the sun is to use a hand cream with SPF. This will help to prevent premature aging and dark spots on your hands. What's the worst thing you've ever done to your hands? Mine was using bleach without gloves. Share your troubles in comment box. Let's laugh together. Secret tip 4. Use coconut oil on your cuticles. Finally, a secret tip for healthy cuticles is to apply coconut oil regularly. This will help to moisturize and nourish your cuticles, keeping them healthy and soft. And that's it. With these tips and tricks, you'll be on your way to having pretty, soft hands in no time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more skincare and beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.